I just want you to know that my husband, I've been married 30 years, and he thinks Dr. Breen is the most amazing man in the world because he actually has his bride back. You know, I'm youthful again. You know, he's gonna have trouble keeping up with me now. So I decided to come to Dr. Breen's office because I had night sweats, I had terrible insomnia, I had gained a whole bunch of weight that I could not lose, and he customized a program specifically for me with nutrients. I needed to change my food, and he changed, you know, balanced my hormones. And combining those two together was life-changing for me. And not only physically, within 4 months, honestly, within 4 months, I mean, weight just melted off of me like butter. It was crazy. And I started having energy again, and I started having vitality back, and I was fuzzy-headed, and I started getting clear-headed again. I just thought I was kind of going crazy. And, you know, like there wasn't any hope. And within 4 months, my cholesterol went, I mean, it was cut in half. He was even amazed. The weight, that was the crazy thing is that the side effect of doing what he said was I lost 20 pounds like effortlessly. Even strangers, people that don't know me really well, will come up and say, "What are you doing?" They can see a physical change in me. It's better than my 20s. So I have the physical side of my 20s, but the mental side of my, well, I don't know if I'm supposed to say or not, but I'm 51, and I'm proud to be 51 and energetic and feel like I'm in my 30s.